Did you know you can earn money online just by signing up for apps? Well, I am here not only to tell you it's possible, but I'm going to tell you that you can actually make a good amount of money from it. And you can have free money just for signing up. Can you believe that? Immediately after you sign up, you will earn free money at no cost, even if you download an app. They are basically throwing cash at you, so what are you waiting for? Hello and welcome to Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. The crazy thing about making money with this method is that you don't even have to perform any of the work. You just need to sign up for these apps and websites, and they will pay you directly to your PayPal account or even to your bank account. After you sign up, you can use your welcome bonus as you like and spend it on whatever you want. The majority of these apps are available globally. So no matter where you are, you can start earning money today. And of course, everything is free to use. Your only requirement to begin is your smartphone and a good internet connection. Keep that in mind. You are being paid just for signing up, but it does not imply that you can only receive payment just from signing up, because these apps offer a wide range of functionality. There are so many things you can use to generate some good money with these apps. I'll cover everything in this video, including extra tips and information to earn money. And as always, your earnings depend on how much you are going to be active with these apps. And you can earn whatever amount of money you want. However, for this video, we're only going to concentrate on finding real ways to earn by getting paid with just a welcome bonus. And naturally, if you want to use it to earn more money, you could use those apps and make more. Now, for the first website that I am going to show you, it is called ojowad.com. What should show in your browser is something like this. Now, what ojowad.com does is they pay you 4 cents every time you watch a single ad. This is pretty fascinating. This software offers the highest payout among the list in the video. You can make a ton of money just for signing up, but if you choose to use this app, you can earn even more. First thing you need to do is simply click sign up, and it will direct you to the registration page so you can actually register and confirm your account. After you sign up, you will receive the sweet sign-up bonus, of course, and it is going to be instantly credited to your account once you've been verified. You can earn money from clicking some ads right here. Although it doesn't pay much, it does pay you at least something. And if you're bored and without something to do, you just have to click this web page and click ads to generate revenue from the website. The next website we are going to talk about right now is Honeygain.com. The wonderful thing about Honeygain.com is that they do offer a mobile app that you can install on your Android phone. But if you are an iPhone user, then we are so sorry to say that the app is not yet available for iOS. How this one works is that it actually generates passive revenue for you by just utilizing your background data. As usual, you can use your smartphone essentially so they can gather information to help businesses enhance their services and websites. And of course, they will pay you $5 as soon as you register to honeygain.com. I know, it's the very thing that you came here for, and you don't have to worry because they ensure that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners. And Honeygain.com will never ask for access to the actual storage and files of your device. The amount you make depends specifically on how much traffic you send through Honeygain's network. You can earn more, and you can get paid through PayPal or Bitcoin if you want to. Moving on to the next website, it is pretty popular and well-known website called Rakuten.com. Considering that it's a cashback website that reimburses your purchases, you purchase things online and they give some of the amounts back to you. As you register in this website, you can get $10 welcome gift, but only after you spend $25 with Rakuten. So if you don't want to spend some money, then this one is not for you. But here is the deal with Rakuten. If you are going to shop online anyway, then why not use this cashback platform so you can spend less money and save more? And of course, the $10 welcome gift is different from the actual cashback they send you. The beneficial part is that they work with some well-known companies that we all trust, like Walmart, Target, Kohl's, Old Navy, Macy's, Nike, and even more. And how it works is that each time you spend money in these shops, you will receive a specific sum of your money returned, and they will transfer that sum to your account, either to your bank account or PayPal account. And it essentially searches for coupon codes that can be used to reduce cost anytime you purchase online. And they even have a Chrome extension that you can utilize on your computer. It is also very easy to sign up, so go ahead and check this out. The next website is called inboxdollars.com. It's 100% free, so there is no need to pay. And don't worry about the money with this one. They pay you for performing easy jobs like viewing videos, completing surveys, and of course, purchasing online. Now, all you need to do is the same thing. Complete your information in the sign-up box, register, and receive your bonus on your account as soon as possible. And the sign-up bonus for this one is $5. But aside from the $5 bonus, they also offer online surveys. They also offer a tool called Watch Videos, which is great. There's even a reward for playing games, which is an extremely fun thing to do. Anybody who wants to play can do so with ease. They recently added the website's new cashback program, and they also now read emails monetization feature. So this one is really a good way to continue earning after signing up. They also have trusted partners like Netflix, Target, and Walmart. Now, for the final website that I am going to show you, it is called Mypoints.com. This one is just like the website I showed you earlier. They are both cashback platforms. You get paid in cash after you make a purchase either from a real store or an internet retailer. Mypoints.com will pay you $10 in the form of an Amazon gift card or a Visa gift card. But just like Rakuten.com, it also requires you to spend $20 first in shopping websites before you can actually get the welcome bonus. So it might not be for everybody. But once again, hey, if you are going to shop anyways, then why not use this website? But like I mentioned earlier, most of these apps include additional functionality that enables you to earn money on top of the welcome bonus. For instance, this one will get you paid to respond to surveys so that leading brands and merchants have access to your preferences and purchasing patterns. This include brands like Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, eBay, and many more. So of course, I am telling you to go ahead. It is super easy to sign up to start now and use as many of these apps as you like. Let us know which ones you've already tried and how much money you were able to make. All right, that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first one to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.